Santiago voy ligerito, caminando, y con mi paraguitas por si la lluvia me va mojando.
Valença is a municipality and a town in Portugal. It officially became a city on 12 June 2009.
Ajá, video, estamos en el canal de YouTube. Video, el video. Bienvenido a Portugal.
Our home away from home while in Valença. My room had a balcony with nice views. Valença is a walled town located on the left bank of the Minho River, approximately 25 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean. Valença's fortress is a piece of Gothic and Baroque military architecture. The first walls were built in the 13th century and upgraded during the 17th and 18th centuries. One of the four gates on the fortified wall of the fortress. Lunch at the Café Portugal bar. For lunch I ordered buñuelos de bacalao sandwich and pastel de nata. Now in view, the Capella do Bom Jesus in the background and the statue of Saint Teotonio, the first Portuguese saint. He is the village patron saint. The chapel is dating from the 17th century and was designed by the military engineer Manuel Pinto de Villalobos. Our Lady of Sorrows icon depicts Mary with a dejected yet contemplative look on her face, her hands clasped in prayer. Piercing her heart are swords, representative of the sorrows that she faced as she saw her son Jesus rejected and killed. A pilgrim praising God with a song. Church of Santa Maria dos Anjos. This small Romanesque church dating from 1276 sits inside the fortified walls of Valença. Santa Casa da Misericordia, dating from 1498. Church of Valença. The international bridge Valença to Tui over the river Minho officially marks the border of Portugal and Spain. It was designed by Pelagio Mancebo, a disciple of the creator of the renowned Eiffel Tower, and goes back to 1886. Tui's Castle Cathedral is a late Romanesque and Gothic-style Roman Catholic church in the town of Tui in Galicia, Spain. Construction began in the 12th century. The Minho River is the longest in Galicia, with a length of 340 kilometers. It forms part of the international border between Spain and Portugal. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Day 1. Camino a Santiago de Compostela, Valença, Portugal to Porriño, Spain, 20 kilometers.